Hello everybody. Hello guys. Okay, first I want to check first my voice. You guys can hear my voice clearly or not? Check first my voice. Okay, I want to check first my voice. Have a good weekend. Have a good day. Have a good Sunday. You guys can hear my voice clearly or not? Okay, can hear my voice very good, very clear. And then um, the background of music, is it okay or not? Is it too loud or you want me to turn off? So we check first. We check first audio connection, all the view connection before we start. The voice is clear, okay? Okay, have a good day guys. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Have a good Sunday. So today, let's do the market mapping for next week. Tomorrow is Monday. The market will open. Then we already spent a good rest for these 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. And then we will spend about 30 to 45 minutes, maybe to 1 hour. Please turn off the music. Okay. Right. How about like this? Is it too loud? Is it good now? You guys can hear clearly? Okay, one more minute before I start the mapping for next week. We start with gold and then some of the currency, maybe GJ, GA or GBP AUD or Euro AUD. I want to show you guys there is a quite something with the market for next week. I see there is a sign of reversal, some sign of strong bullish movement. I see also bullish movement, but we need to see the clear confirmation. The clear confirmation, if for me, I will get at least 2 or 3 strong confirmation in order for us to entry the position buy or sell. Right, let's start. Okay, let's start. So now we go to MT4 chart. You guys can see, right? If you guys cannot see clearly the view of my chart now, you guys can adjust your setting on YouTube to 1080p 60 HD for better view. Okay, give me 1 more minute before I start. Hold on, I mute first my microphone for 1 minute and then we can start. Hold on. Okay, now I turn on the microphone. Okay, so let's start. Okay, this is a view of MT4 chart XIU USD gold. Okay, so if you guys can see, I did mark the support and resistance, the current movement at the time frame H1. Okay, for 1 hour movement. And the trend line also, trend line, down trend line, ascending trend line is for the time frame H1 also. Here we can see the price keep going down, keep bearish movement until here. As I told you last week, this is a strong support because of why? Look on your first left. The first left is here, so the price react at this area, the key level. Even the price sideways here also, during the US session here, the price react again at this trend line and reject with the strong movement here. Strong movement. On last Thursday, I did mark this. If you guys follow my live session last Thursday, I did write this, monitor this buyer. This is buyer. Okay, the strong long weak rejection, this is buyer. So one of indicator for us, there is a strong buyer here and could be reversal for this movement, for this bearish movement. If I can see here, the trend line is already breakout. This is one of the example. This is one of the example indicator that the trend will be changed. One of indication for us. One of sign. Okay, the trend line breakout. Only one time, two time. I zoom in. Okay, one, price react. Second time, second candle, price reject. But here, with the strong movement breakout, even this is a minor resistance. The one that I marked here is minor resistance, also breakout. So we can see clearly here, based on the trend line here, the downtrend line for the time frame H1 breakout. This education or this education about the trend line, I will make a video and upload in the YouTube. You guys can see how the confirmation based on the trend line. How you guys can see the confirmation based on the trend line. How you guys understand or can get the indication, the first sign that the trend will be changed from uptrend, from downtrend to uptrend, or the downtrend to uptrend, like this. Okay, strong rally movement for bearish, and then reaction, trend line breakout, price come back here, there is a reaction, but we need to see the next support the price want to go. If like here, as I told you last week during the live session on the YouTube, if you guys follow me, I think we do 3 live session last week. Monitor this area because of this is a strong buyer. Okay, and then the price react again. We can see slowly react, even though sideways also react, and then the price reject with a strong movement, strong buyer. We got a strong buyer here. I write this after I see this candle. Before this candle happen, I mark this, monitor this buyer with a red color, means that there is a strong buyer here, really a strong buyer. Okay, for next week, next week where we want to monitor. Okay, this is one of tips. Okay, one of tips, if you guys want to follow me and understand how I mark each of the zone, how I monitor each of the zone. Okay, let's say this is at the time frame H1. Okay, this is at the time frame H1. I want to see the 1 day market movement. So I will set for the period separators for 1 day, 1 hour candle. Alright, like here in the MT4 chart in the PC, I will set like this. Okay, wait, I will show the period of the separators, meaning that between these separators, okay, let's say from here to here, there is a 1 day market movement. Okay, from here to here, 1 day market movement, and here from here to here, 1 day market movement. So this is how I monitor for 1 day market movement based from the H1 time frame, 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you guys can set like this also in your PC, in your laptop, or in your iPad and iPhone, or your phone. Okay, clear? You guys understand this? This is how I mark every of the zone every day based on the period separators 1 day market movement. So this is one of tips. Okay, so clear for the period separators. Right, so for last Friday also, here from here to here, 1 day market movement. So you want to see last week on the Friday. On the Friday, price react. I put it here. Okay, on the Friday, price react here. Price react here based on the rejection on the strong support here that we mark. So I will still use for next week, this is as a support area, but we still don't know either this is a strong support or not because of so many price tests around here. Okay, there is a price test here, so many price seller try to test at this area support. Okay, this is also the support, or earlier before this, this is a resistance area, now becomes support. I also mark, but this is at the minor support zone, minor area zone at the time frame H1. This also I marked last week. I also will use this resistance. This resistance also I will use. This one also I will use. Okay, if you guys follow my live session on YouTube, so you guys know why I mark all this area, the key level. Okay, the key level here before this price happen, I already marked this, the gray area, because of this the rejection, and then because of this strong bullish movement, reject and going down. Okay, drastically price going down because of this, and here again the price going up. Here not touching, second time not touching, but during US session there is strong drastically movement. Even I did give sell position entry at here 1924, 192, around 19225, I think last week on Friday we got sell entry here. We got sell about almost 100 pips. Before market close, we got about 100 pips. So why did I mark this as a strong why did I mark this as a resistance? Because of this movement. So again, I still use this resistance for tomorrow, for next week, as my monitor zone. I want to see first where is a breakout where is the price, either the price breakout or still react at this area. So for tomorrow, still use the same zone. Okay, this is for tomorrow. This is for tomorrow. This is minor area of support and resistance. Only the minor area, okay? This is from the higher time frame support. So I still use all this area. Okay, before you guys ask any question, let me explain first the key level that I want monitor for tomorrow. So this is until separated until the US session for tomorrow, right? Okay, we got already the key level or the zone that we need to monitor. And again, I will monitor during the market open, during the ascent session, and we will try to get the opportunity buy or sell during the Europe session. We start on Europe session. Okay, now you guys can ask any question. Any question you guys can ask. So if price is hitting support or resistance many times, does it mean support resistance is strong or the opposite stronger? Okay, based on my experience, if the price retest at this, okay, let's say example this is a support area, the price try so many times at this area support, based on my experience, this is not considered as a strong support anymore. Okay. Okay, remember last week I told you guys before this movement, these 2 days happened. This is on Friday. This is on Thursday. And I do live session on YouTube here on Wednesday. I told you guys, I explained with you guys, monitor this. The first left. The first left here. Monitor this. The peak of the movement, this price here, monitor this price. Before this Friday, Thursday, on Wednesday I did live session on YouTube, and I did tell you guys, I told you guys that we monitor this peak price action here. If the price comes to this area again for the first time, we still get at least 30 to 40 pips opportunity to sell because of this strong seller. And then on Friday we got about 100 pips. I think we closed half of our entry profit, about 50 pips. Okay, quite good. Remember, for the first time price come into the zone, either support or resistance, then we can get the opportunity to buy or sell. Okay, that is on my topic, the mastery, candlestick mastery. So if you guys already read or already see my ebook under the candlestick mastery volume 1, so you guys understand how the price react at these 2 zones, support and resistance. Okay, next question. What level of support is that blue? That one is at the time frame H4 support area. If you guys can see the reaction of the price, still reject and reject. But based on my experience, the support area for this zone, the blue zone, is not strong anymore. Okay, so good trend up or down. Just now I already told you from the H1 time frame, the bearish movement at the time frame H1, the price now break out the trend line. This is the trend line. The blue dot line here is the trend line, down trend line for the time frame H1. Now it's breakout. Now it's breakout here with the strong movement. So to see the trend is changed or not, we need to confirm by tomorrow during ASEAN session or Europe session. Bro, I have some question for you. Gold movement based on USD or USD movement gold. Kindly explain. Whenever USD is good, going down. Why? As I told you many times, the price react based on the strong buyer, strong seller. Strong buyer and strong seller based on the investor or banker, based on the economy, world economy. How the price react to how the price react with the bullish movement based on the strong buyer, and same goes to bearish movement based on the strong seller. Okay. How can we get the candlestick mastery book? You guys, you can join VIP channel under military channel, Pablo military channel. That's all is under VIP. My student, all from the student, you can chat with me, or you can chat in the YouTube, in the Telegram channel. From there, we will guide you how to join the VIP channel. Okay. Right. How to see price action on lower time frame like minute 1 and minute 5. Actually still the same. This one I show you from the higher time frame H1. Okay, I will do the mapping. Mostly from the higher time frame daily and H4. H1 is our monitoring key level, support and resistance. M15 and M5 is our entry zone. Is our entry or layering point. Okay, so again, I already mark here the strong support zone, the blue zone, but based on experience, currently there is not quite strong anymore because so many price touches here and price try to break out this zone. Okay, so consider as the price is already touched, and here the price react because of this history movement on the first left. So it could be like this. The mapping could be like this. Okay, let's try like this. Okay, since we see that there is a breakout trend line, downtrend line for the time frame H1, we also don't know either the price want to make a new trend, uptrend at the time frame H1, or break out this area support here to go to the next level of support. If you want to, okay, the next level of support is here. This one also strong support area. This. Okay, wait. And there is a strong buyer here. Okay, let's take a look from the bigger picture, higher time frame, daily or H4. Now I open daily time frame. Okay, this is from the daily time frame. Okay, okay, from the daily time frame, we can see here the strong rejection here, strong rejection candle from here to here based on the first left here. Based on the first left here, the price reject with a strong long wick long wick candle. Okay, meaning that there's a strong long wick rejection. This is one of sign reversal for the higher time frame at the daily time frame. And if you want to see if the price react like this, daily time frame, on the last Friday, this could be also the price want to go at the next strong support here. This is a strong support at the daily time frame also, because strong long wick rejection. Okay, it could be like this. On Monday, market open during Europe or US session, the price will go to this area. It could be like this. To the next strong support at the daily time frame is here. Based on the last history, on the first left, the price will go here. Okay, it could be like this because of long wick rejection at the daily time frame on last Friday. If we see from the higher time frame. Okay, now we go. That's why I said the time frame H1, this support is not strong anymore. It could be can break out here. This support at the H1 time frame can break out. Okay, because so many price try to break at this area. It could be like this. Price break out this support and then go to this next strong support based on the daily time frame that we opened just now. Okay, or as on Monday tomorrow, the price want to collect again. Oh, not again. Collect the seller from here, the strong resistance. This is strong resistance, the pink one, the pink zone here. Because of why? Because of this long wick rejection here and then breakout here. The price not pull back yet at this area. So this is one of my monitoring zone if I want to get the higher speed or if I want to get the big movement. This is, we can get from here also, we can get big movement because after breakout there is no pullback yet at this area. So I want to see the breakout go to this support, strong support, or the price go to this strong resistance. I want to see and I want to monitor first. So you guys clear so far? Are you guys clear with my explanation just now? So far so good. So that's why I told you guys, I see the clear big movement if we can see the clear movement breakout at the blue zone. I did already explain why I want to watch again, I want to monitor again the blue zone. Okay, and I also monitor the pink zone because the price did not make any there is no price make a correction yet at that zone, the resistance zone in pink color. So it could be on Monday, tomorrow it could be 100 pips either up or 100 pips break out that blue zone and going down. 100 pips. In next week goal will be 1850. Let me see. $18.50. Wow. Okay. Wait, I go to daily first. Okay, if you go to the higher time frame daily, the market direction, for me, long-term direction, this is my idea, okay? This is my idea or my opinion. Okay. In my opinion, the market direction for long-term, this is point A, okay? This is at the daily time frame, okay? Daily time frame. This is my point A. And the next point A to B, okay? A to B. The next point B for the long-term direction for gold is here. Is here. Is at 1880. Around 880. Around here. Because the movement for this strong bearish movement from the daily time frame is still not complete yet. It's still not complete yet. Okay? Right? From point A here, and my view, my point of view, my opinion, the point B for this daily movement is here. Is at 1880. That is my target. But that is for daily. It could be a few days or in another 2 weeks, 3 weeks movement. Based on also fundamental, based on the US economy, based on the currency USD. Okay. But for us, we do the scalping daily 100 to 50 to 100 pips. So we see to at the lower time frame H4, H1. So we need to monitor zone by zone at the H4 and H1 time frame. So from there we can get scalping about 50 to 100 pips. That's from daily is direction for the long term. That is my idea or my long term market movement. Okay, so far for gold, you guys clear or not? It's very simple, guys. Very simple. Don't make it too complicated. Don't fulfill with your chart with so many indicators, or you guys headaches with all this where to buy, where to sell. You guys only need to monitor the very important zone. Like I said last week, I told you guys monitor this blue, monitor this one. So we got already 2 area, very strong area, very important area. We got buy, we got sell. That's it. Very simple, right? It's very simple. No need to think about the long term. Long term, we only monitor once a week. Once a week only. Or like on Monday, Wednesday, and that's it. Monday and Wednesday. And then for us to entry the position, buy or sell, we want to get 50 to 100 pips. Like my video on YouTube, how we can get 50 to 100 pips. Very easy. It's very easy to get the scalping profit about 50 to 100 pips. So you guys can monitor more lower time frame at H4 and H1. So from there, we get the key level, the strong support and resistance area. Monitor the price action. Monitor the confirmation. That's it. So if price go to pink zone, wouldn't that be a reversal and it's the same as bullish pullback for the H4 time frame? That's what I see. By the way, please enlighten me. Okay, like I said before, I explain again. Plan for tomorrow or next week. You guys only need to wait. I make it more clear. Okay, like this. This is sideways movement. Okay, sideways movement. So even the one that we mark, the blue zone, the support area also, there is a reaction, long week rejections, and then so many reaction. So now the price is here. Today is Sunday. Okay, from the last Friday, the price is here. The price is near with our support zone that we marked last week. Okay, if you guys see last week, okay, last week Friday here, Thursday here, Wednesday is here, the price is still sideways at the time frame H4, sideways, but we still can get the opportunity buy and sell 50 to 100 pips. For tomorrow, for next week, we monitor again. Either this support zone we break out, we wait for the pullback, then can entry sell. Or as the price comes to this strong area, I call this as a strong area. Okay, wait, I mark. Hold on. Here, just monitor. But between here, I see if there is a confirmation at the lower time frame, we still can scalping 50 to 100 pips. Because between these two zones, from here to here, only 200 pips. So if price react and there is a confirmation at the M15, H1, so we can scalping 30 pips, 50 pips. But here, okay, why monitor here? Why monitor here? Because of this is strong breakout at this earlier support area. Strong buyer, reaction, breakout, only pullback here, one pullback, and then if the price comes again this area, entry sell. Okay, can get about scalping 50 pips, 30 pips. You guys can close your layering entry, and then some of your entry you guys can put the break even. Okay, and if the price break out this area, we wait for the pullback correction, price make a pullback, then can entry sell. That's it, very simple. And then between these two area, this is minor resistance, this is minor resistance or support also, we need to monitor also if we want to scalping. Okay, is it clear for now? Okay, by the way, you guys just be ready in the channel, education channel. Next week I want to release the ebook It could be, it will be in the video. I will do in video. I want to release the ebook for the confirmation breakout, price pullback, then is under chapter 2, I think. Yeah, chapter 2. I will check again. Narcos setup entry based on the confirmation price breakout, and then some of trend line that we need to monitor. You guys can learn about the trend line. Trend line also one of the confirmation, and then the key level also I will highlight again in this ebook. Okay, I think that's all for gold. I hope you guys very clear with my explanation and our mapping for next week, Monday and next week. We just wait first. We just wait. We want to see first the price action tomorrow on Monday. Okay, how about the currency? I can explain one of the currency if you guys want. Okay, vote for me. Vote any currency if you guys want a currency. Type in chat any currency you guys want. I want to see which currency give with the highest vote, then we can proceed. Okay, I give you guys 1 minute. Give vote in the chat for the currency. What currency you guys want? I want to do a mapping for tomorrow and next week. Let's go. Vote with me now. I see a lot with GBP USD and Euro USD. Give me one only. I want to go playing golf after this. So give me one more currency, then I will proceed with the mapping. So we mark together the key level, the area that we want to monitor. Then I will not delete the key level for this currency. Tomorrow or on Tuesday, I will do the live session on YouTube, then we can see again. Okay, I see a lot of pair Euro USD. You guys agree with Euro USD, right? So let's do the with Euro USD. Euro USD is, the pair is very slow. Very slow pair. Quite interesting with Euro USD. Okay, let's do one more mapping for the currency. Okay, let's do for Euro USD. I see a lot of Euro USD. Okay, agree? Let's do Euro USD. Okay, this is okay. The chart that I open on MT4 now is Euro USD. Okay. let's rename to Euro USD at the time frame. Okay, this is pair Euro USD, currency Euro USD. Okay, the time frame that I open now is weekly time frame because I want to see the market direction first. Okay, market direction, like I explained just now from the gold chart. Okay, from the gold chart, I want to see the market direction from point A to point B. So it's clearly, okay, this is weekly time frame at Euro USD. Okay, this is point A, this is point B. So the price now almost near with the point B. Okay, wait, I mark. Okay, I will explain, okay, why I mark like this, point A to point B. Okay, can see clearly, right? Okay, why I mark like this from A to B? Because of this movement, the history movement. Okay, because of this, the bearish trending, bearish movement of this, because of this movement from here, price reject here, and then the price one is find the next support at the weekly time frame. Clearly the next support for this movement is here, that the first area make a drastic movement here on the first left. So A to B, my A to B is from here to here, almost to the destination. Okay, another 60 pips. So the strong support area for the current movement, this is a current movement Euro USD. Okay, I will mark here, from here, based on the first left. I will mark first. Based on the first left, this is my support area. Or you guys, this is one of tip, okay? Or you guys also can use the line chart. Why not came up? Hold on. Okay, no. Okay, never mind. Okay, I mark this as a strong support area because of this. The first left of weekly movement is strong long wick rejection and then drastically movement. Price running for uptrend about 500 pips from here. So from here is a strong buyer. There is a strong buyer here running about almost 600 pips. Okay, almost 600 pips. So this is a quite strong movement from here to here. So we got here the first area buyer, and this we can mark as a strong support area at the daily time frame. Now we want to make a zone at the lower time frame H4 and H1. For this currency Euro USD, I will use daily or H4, my indicator, my key level for strong support and resistance. So now I go to daily time frame. Okay, this is daily time frame Euro USD. So can see, right? The first left is here with a strong bullish movement, strong long week rejection. So I take the last week rejection to the first body candle to mark the support area for this movement. So I got already the support area for the current movement. Okay. Alright, clear for now? But here also got another support. So I need to monitor here also. So we got two support area now. Look on your first left. So we got two support area. So first support area we need to watch or we need to monitor is here. Either there is a reaction based on the first left here, there is any reaction, but for the first time price come to this area, it could be reject about 30 to 50 pips for any movement. Okay, or else break out this support and then the price want to collect the last buyer area from here to reject. So maybe can get the opportunity buy more than 50 pips, 200 pips. Like this. So conclusion is basically we have to monitor these two area, these two key level. So I got two area if you want to get the opportunity buy since the market in bearish movement. Even the price also near with this area, the support area or the strong buyer area. Okay. Okay, let's say for the trend line, down trend line, I go to H4. So this is for the trend line, okay? If the trend line like this, highest peaks, first touches, second. So take very clearly, at least 2 or 3 touches. Right, this is for the trend line. Alright. So for the Euro USD, if for me, I want to monitor this first area, and then second area also I want to monitor. That's it. That is for Euro USD. So anything you guys want to ask about this pair Euro USD? You mean what to do with these two zones? You guys need to monitor. Either there is a strong long week rejection, then you guys can get the opportunity buy. Okay, let's check how many pips between these two zones. First zone to second zone about 100 pips, so it's quite big also. But based on my experience, if the price first time come to this support area, you guys also can get buy opportunity to buy, can get about 30 to 50 pips scalping entry. Okay, except there is a strong seller break out this support area, so the price we go to the next level of support. So just monitor first. Okay, I will mark tomorrow or on Tuesday. We will see either there is a breakout or reject. Okay, so you guys clear, right? For this pair currency, Euro USD. This is a strong buyer because of strong movement, but based on my experience, we can buy around here. Around here maybe the zone for buy about 50 pips, still quite big. So to make it more small zone, or to make it low risk entry area, you guys can go to H1 time frame. Okay, look on your first left. This is the last or the first market movement make a bullish movement for long position and entry. If the price come to this area, at least 20 to 30 pips area, then we can hit buy position entry. Okay, the stop loss. The stop loss, you guys can set the stop loss around here. About, okay, let's say 30 pips from the last week rejection. From the last week rejection here, buyer rejection, set stop loss about 30 pips. The red line is stop loss. Okay. Right, so you guys clear for now for this Euro USD currency. As I promised that I will give you guys the mapping or analysis for the currency also. So we vote for Euro USD, we got already. You see already how did I do the mapping. Okay, we need to monitor also the strong buyer area. This is a strong buyer area also. As we can see, triple top here, and then the price make a move, and then this is consider also the price pullback after the price make a strong bullish movement, price pullback, and then she goes. Okay, and here the price react based on the weekly time frame that we opened just now. From the weekly time frame, okay, the weekly time frame here, the price react here based on the first left here, the strong bearish movement, and then based on this bearish movement, from what I mark here, point A to B is because of here the rejection at this, for this movement rejection, and then if the price want to go, the next destination for this movement is here, the point B, based on the first left also. But here also we need to monitor another first left. The first left here, this is second left. Priority is the first left. This is the priority one, the first one. Okay. Also need to be alert. This is strong bearish movement. Strong. So many red candle. Right. So I think that's all. That's all, guys, for now. I think we did already the mapping, the clear mapping for gold and Euro USD. Don't forget to monitor these four area. The most important is pink area and the blue area that I already explained. Okay, why did we want to monitor this area? This gray area is at the lower time frame, H1. Then we try to get the opportunity buy or sell based on the confirmation at the lower time frame, M15 or M5. Right? I think that's all for now, guys. Have a good weekend, have a good rest. We have another few hours before the market open. Tomorrow ASEAN session, we wait first and see first the movement for this gold. We want to see first. Okay, I cannot also predict for tomorrow ASEAN session where the price want to go, but based on I explained just now, we want to see the breakout here. If the breakout, we wait for pullback, then we can entry sell, or as the price we comes again to this area, this is also the resistance, we try to get a scalping opportunity to sell 30 to 50 pips. Okay, if price react at this support after the price breakout, then the price will go to here. It could be also breakout based on the rejection, a lot of rejection, a lot of price test around here. So consider as a not strong support anymore. And if the price, I think during US session, if the price keep going for bullish movement, going to this area, we monitor, then we can try or get the opportunity sell based on the first time price come to this area, based on the first left breakout reaction here. Alright, so you guys can watch many times this live session. I keep it in this YouTube so you guys can see and try to understand my explanation. Right, so I think that's all for now. That's all for today. Have a good weekend, have a good rest. I see you for tomorrow, possible during Europe session, then we can start with the first signal, and then US session also another signal. Maybe you can get 3 to 4 signal. We see first how the market react for tomorrow. Okay, guys, that's all for now. Have a good rest, have a good weekend. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, so you guys support me, then I can give a lot of education. I can do a lot of education, a lot of live on YouTube, or we can also do a live trade together. Thank you, guys.